Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. To start, open your Facebook application in your mobile device. In here, first input your mobile number or email address and then tap on Forgot Password. Then in here, find your account by entering your mobile number. Then tap on the button that says Find Account. Once done, close Facebook and open your Instagram. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right, then tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time and head on over to Settings and Privacy and click on Account Center. On Account Center, click on Password and Security. Then in here, click on Change Password. Select your Facebook account, then enter your current password, then your new password as well. If not, click on Forgotten Your Password hyperlink. Once in the directory, a login code should be sent to your email. Then click on Continue. Then in here, input the 6-digit code sent to your email, bind it with your Facebook account. Then click Continue. Then select Send via SMS, then click on Continue, and then in here, input the CAPTCHA code, then click on Continue once again. Enter the 6-digit code this time, and then click on Continue. Then in here, you can now create a new password, then select Next. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.